Good day. This is Ron, your average IT guy. I'm also a amateur drummer, and yep, this is my first short video IT tutorials. Just want to share this one to all young learners and to all the other students who really want to know how the technology works. So first thing, I just want to share how we could look the Wi-Fi password if you accidentally forgot it. So this is the basic one. You just need to click on the Wi-Fi password, hit on this button, look where SSID or Wi-Fi name you're connected, click on the properties here, then it should show something on the Wi-Fi configuration. It says here Wi-Fi network password, click show, and boom, that's it. Just a straight uh, steps how to get the password. Then I'll teach you how you can get that one using a CMD. So this is more advanced. Uh, just take a quick look on this one. This is the exact command that you need to input on the CMD. netsh space wlan space show space profile. Don't forget the space when you do this command. Hit enter. Then as you can see, there's a lot of Wi-Fi SSID here. So if you remember, we're connected in this SSID YOTCBC 96. So just need to take note of that one. You can easily put a note on that one, or you can also do a quick highlight. It will automatically be copied. So the next command that we will going to do is the same command that we've used earlier, but we just need to add this additional uh, name. Type name equals space open parenthesis, then put in the Wi-Fi name, which is YOTC BC9, close parenthesis, space key equals clear. So don't forget the passwords and the open parenthesis on this command. Hit enter, then boom. You should be able to see this one. This is the exact uh, Wi-Fi password on that specific SSID or Wi-Fi name. Hope you like this one. You can hit the button like and share or subscribe in my channel. Thank you. Have a good day.